In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this fast travel effect in Blender. Let's create a cylinder. R, X, and 90, to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X axis. S, and Y, to scale on the Y axis. Tab, to go to edit mode. Ctrl, R, to place a loop cut. We need 100 loop cuts. Let's select and remove the end faces. In edit mode, randomize the transform. In edit mode, Alt-A, to deselect everything, and select random 15%. Let's apply a dark material for the mesh, and an emission with 35 strength to the selected faces. We need EV with bloom setting turned on. This is optional, but we can also subdivide the mesh to make it look smoother. Let's add the displace modifier with a texture like this. We need to work on the camera. Let's reset all location and rotation values. We need to rotate the camera -90 degrees on the X axis, and move it away from the center on the Y axis. Let's set up a 100 frame animation. On frame 1, let's hover the cursor over the camera's Y location value and type I to set a keyframe. Let's go to frame 100, move the camera on the Y axis like this, and set a new keyframe. The animation will look like this. This looks good, but we can make it look better. Let's change the focal length. By the way, if we lower the value to 1 mm, we can get this cool effect as well. I'll go with 5 mm. If we zoom in, we'll have the fast travel effect. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.